So the Help and to Grow program has really helped actually me focus, and I identified new areas that I should really look at and develop. So we have a longer planning strategy. We are actually now looking longer term. We have been able to actually develop detailed strategies and around finance, marketing, looking at the growth, how to export things, and we have used it to help develop and grow my business. I would certainly actually recommend the Help and to Grow program. It gives you 12 weeks of you outside of the business. So instead of always actually being in the business, it gives you that chance to actually work on the business. It has been incredibly useful, and I have gained a lot of knowledge and experience, and I would highly actually recommend it to anybody thinking and about how to develop their business further.